Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the quick steps to troubleshoot login issues with your Skrill account. If you're unable to sign in, these simple checks will help you get back into your account safely and quickly. Step 1. Double-check your login details. Make sure you're entering the correct email address and password. If you think you mistyped your password, click Forgot Password and reset it through the link Skrill sends to your email. Step 2. Clear browser cache or try another device. Sometimes login issues come from your browser. Clear your cache and cookies or try logging in from a different browser or device to see if the problem continues. Step 3. Confirm two-factor authentication. If you have 2FA enabled, make sure you're entering the correct code from your Authenticator app or SMS. If you're not receiving SMS codes, check your signal, restart your phone, or try again after a minute. Step 4. Check for account restrictions. Skrill may temporarily limit access if there's suspicious activity. Look for any recent emails from Skrill explaining verification requests or security checks. Follow the instructions if they asked for ID or documents. Step 5. Disable VPN or proxy connections. Skrill blocks logins from some VPNs or unusual locations. Turn off your VPN or proxy and try signing in again. Step 6. Contact Skrill support. If none of the steps work, go to the Skrill Help Center and open a support ticket. Explain the issue briefly and attach any screenshots if needed. Skrill will respond with steps tailored to your account. For more quick and helpful tutorials, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.